In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the opacity here in Canva. Now, this is extremely easy to do. If you have an object, an image, or anything that you want to make transparent or slightly transparent, you simply want to click onto the image. For this example, this is an element, but we want to click onto that, come up to the top where it says transparency. If we click on here, we can adjust by decreasing this bar, like so, or increasing it as well. Now if we keep that on 70, we can see through this, and we can see the letters behind it. Now this works exactly the same way for photos as well. So if we come over to Elements, let's take this photo for a second. Let's say we want to make transparent. We come again up to the top just here where it says transparency. We can click on there, then increase and decrease that as well. So that's how to adjust the opacity here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.